Hey guys! Today we are going to learn about animal classification, but listen closely because there will be a few questions at the end. There are 5 classifications of animals: amphibians, mammals, reptiles, birds, and fish. The 3 main differences between each group is whether they produce live young or lay eggs, and whether they're warm-blooded or cold-blooded, and how they look. Amphibians live on land and in water, meaning they breathe both with gills and with lungs. They have webbed feet and have moist, smooth skin with no hair or fur. They usually develop 4 legs by adulthood, but sometimes they don't grow any legs. Amphibians lay many eggs and are cold-blooded creatures. Cold-blooded means that creatures' body temperature depends on whether it's cold or hot outside. Amphibians include frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. Reptiles have scales instead of fur and have very dry skin. They usually lay eggs, but occasionally give birth to live young. Instead of ears, reptiles have ear holes. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They live on land, so they use lungs to breathe. Some examples of reptiles are turtles, crocodiles, and chameleons. Fish live underwater, so they breathe with gills, not lungs. They have scales and fins, not fur or hair. They lay eggs, sometimes millions at a time, and they are cold-blooded creatures. Birds are warm-blooded animals. They have feathers and wings and 2 legs. They live on land, so they breathe using lungs. They have ear holes instead of ears and lay many eggs, sometimes up to 17 at a time. Warm-blooded means that their body temperature stays the same, whether it's cold or hot outside. Mammals have hair, or fur. Although some live in the water, the ones that live on the land have 4 legs. All mammals are warm-blooded and use lungs to breathe. Mammals give birth to live young, and their mothers nurse them with milk until they are able to eat food. You may have seen this with mammals and their babies, including humans, who are also mammals. In this video, we have discussed the 5 classification groups of the animal kingdom: the warm-blooded animals, birds and mammals, and the cold-blooded animals, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. Now that we've covered each classification group, let's see how much you learned. The first question: how many legs do mammals typically have? A, none, B, 2, or C, 4? If your answer was C, 4, you are correct. Number 2. Are reptiles warm-blooded or cold-blooded animals? If your answer was cold-blooded animals, you're correct. Question number 3. Which of the following animals would be considered an amphibian? A, dog, B, octopus, C, parrot, or D, frog? The correct answer is D, frog, because frogs live both on land and in water. The 4th and last question is, true or false? Humans are mammals. The correct answer is true. Yes, humans are mammals.